Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Kids Learn to Lead. Today we would like to share our new series, Kids Scientists. Today we will learn about periodic table, the first 20 elements. What is periodic table? The periodic table is a table of chemical elements organized by atomic number. The elements are grouped into rows called periods and columns group. This is the complete periodic table. Before we begin learning the first 20 elements of the periodic table, let us learn how to lead the element. The top left number is atomic number. It is the number of protons of the element. The middle alphabet is the element symbol. The word is the element name. Let us begin our journey as kid scientists. Number 1, hydrogen. Number 2, helium. Number 3, lithium. Number 4, beryllium. Number 5, boron. Number 6, carbon. Number 7, nitrogen. Number 8, oxygen. Number 9, fluorine. Number 10, neon. Number 11, sodium. Number 12, magnesium. Number 13, aluminium. Number 14, silicon. Number 15, phosphorus. Number 16, sulfur. Number 17, chlorine. Number 18, argon. Number 19, potassium. Number 20, calcium. The end. See you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.